Hi everyone, we're going to make Wayne Thiebaud inspired landscapes. Wayne Thiebaud is an artist in Sacramento who is famous for making paintings of pastries and food and ice creams and cakes. So in the foreground we're going to have two very large ice creams. In the middle ground we will have three medium-sized desserts, and in the background we'll have at least 5 small dessert items. You should have some variety. Some can be soft serve ice cream, some can be in a dish, some with a cherry on top, but don't make them all the same type of dessert, please. So those are the things you need to remember while you're doing this. Okay. So we have our sketches from before that we drew, and we're going to use those to refer to. We're going to copy those onto our new picture. Here's a bigger piece of paper I'm using, and I'm going to copy this ice cream bar, making it really big in the foreground. This also is going to be very large in the foreground. So my items in the foreground are large. This watermelon slice should be a little bit smaller because it's going in the middle ground. This ice cream cone also will be smaller because it too is going in the middle ground somewhere, let's see, right here. And I'll put another one next to it. The one in front is overlapping. So again, I make the popsicle smaller, but we're going to cut from the drawing to the painting. The painting and the colored pencils drawing. Color in the ice creams and popsicles with colored pencil, and then when you're done with that, paint the land with watercolors. And you can use sort of a cross-hatching kind of effect. I think it's much faster, and I think it looks nicer than if you try to just color it all in one color, all like a solid color. I think this gives some more texture to it, and it's easier and looks nicer. Also, please notice how the smallest ice creams are at the very top of the page in the background. And there are several of those small ice creams in the background. So to recap, we have the big ice creams in the foreground up front, the medium ice creams in the middle ground, and the smallest ice creams in the background far away from us. They are smaller because they are farther away. Another thing I'd like you to do is please get a colored pencil and trace the edges of your heels. Trace the edges of your hills. Turn your paper if it's more comfortable to draw, whichever way you need to turn your paper. Darken in areas that you think might need it. Crosshatch. Please don't forget to trace all of your hills and do a little bit of cross-hatching on top of your painting. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.